Today we're going to learn everything about the discriminant. Now the discriminant comes from the quadratic formula, and it is the expression underneath the square root or the radical. And it's the b squared minus 4ac. Now the value that you get tells us the number and type of solutions to a quadratic equation. Now, if the discriminant is equal to 0, then you have one real solution, or one x-intercept. If the discriminant is greater than 0, so a positive number, you have two real solutions, or x-intercepts. And if the discriminant is less than 0, or a negative number, there are no real solutions, or you can say that there are two imaginary solutions. So what do you know about the discriminant given these particular graphs? Now the graph on the left has two real solutions, as you have two x-intercepts. So I know that my discriminant is going to be a positive number. Now the graph in the middle has one real solution because it has only one x-intercept, which means that discriminant is equal to 0. The graph on the right has no real solutions, or two imaginary solutions, because it does not have any x-intercepts. So I know that my discriminant is going to be a negative number. So now let's find the discriminant and give the number and type of solutions. Now I did write the discriminant as b squared minus 4ac. So let's look at what we have in our quadratic equation. Now, I can identify the a, b, and c as 3, 6, and negative 4. So let's take what I have. I have 6 squared as my b squared minus 4 times a times c. So 4 times 3 times negative 4. I get 36 plus 48. So my discriminant is 84. Now, 84 is a positive number. That discriminant is a positive number. So I know that there are two real solutions. Okay, here is another quadratic. Again, identify your A, B, and C. And go ahead and plug those numbers into the discriminant formula. Your order operations, we can simplify, is 36 minus 36, which gets a discriminant of 0. Now, because your discriminant is 0, there is one real solution. Okay, the last example, again, identify A, B, and C. Substitute your values into your discriminant formula and use your order of operations. And we'll find that the discriminant is equal to a negative 24. Now, because your discriminant is a negative number, there are no real solutions, or you can say there are two imaginary solutions. Now, here are some things to remember. The discriminant is the expression under the radical of your quadratic formula. And you can say that there are no real solutions, or you can say there are two imaginary solutions when your discriminant is negative. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for notifications on new videos. Thanks for watching!